Welcome to solverfy.
So essentially, with what gravitational force will a hollow sphere exert on a point mass that is along the x-axis of its center? So we can say that the density of this hollow sphere, well, the density of any object would be the mass divided by 4/3 pi r cubed. Now here, this is a sphere. However, this is a solid sphere, so not a hollow sphere. So we know that the mass of the cavity is simply going to be the density times the volume of the cavity. And this will be equal to the mass divided by 4/3 pi r cubed, and then again times 4 pi r over 2 cubed divided by 3. And we find that the mass of the cavity will be equal to the total mass divided by 8. So we can see that the force net is going to be equal to the force of the sphere, solid sphere, minus the force of the cavity. So we can say that the net force will be equal to g m divided by d squared minus the gravitational constant times m over 8 times lowercase m divided by, here would be d minus r over 2 quantity squared. And so this is giving us g times m over m, or the g times m times lowercase m times 1 over d squared minus 8 times d minus r over 2 squared, rather r over 2 quantity squared. So the d is also included in that, and then 1 as the numerator. And we find that the net force can be simplified and say that this is going to equal g times m over d squared, and then times 1 minus, and then here it would just be 1 over 8 times 1 minus r over 2d quantity squared. And so this would be the magnitude of the gravitational force. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.